Ladies and gentlemen, we've got a winner for Worst Operator of the Year. This guy makes beginners look like pros. The IMT 558 just walked through that forest like it owns the place. No fancy bells and whistles, just pure muscle doing what it was born to do. That IMT 540 just learned what quicksand feels like. The more it fought, the deeper it sank. Mud doesn't negotiate. Sometimes one tractor isn't enough, so you call in the cavalry. Watch these guys work together like they've done this 1,000 times. Well, that's one way to field dress your dinner. Fast, messy, and definitely not OSHA approved.
Unbelievable right there, fans. Holy! Get his safety equipment off down there.
That excavator just casually pulled a whole tractor out of the river like it was fishing. Tell me you've never seen anything cooler than that perfect rescue.
Asıl karda değil ya bak. Ecap değil ya. Akidin ha.
Someone forgot basic physics class. When you mess with balance like that, gravity always wins the argument. LKT 80 versus Fent 939. Now, this is what I call a proper throwdown. Two beasts, one rope, and somebody's going home embarrassed. Pulling 25,000 pounds like it's nothing, this operator knows their stuff. One wrong move and that chain becomes a missile. But look at that control. Look at this Schluter beast from '09. Built in someone's workshop, but pulls like a factory legend. That man engine under the hood? Pure German fury on wheels.
This has to be the coolest sport I've ever seen.
Hold up there, hotshot. This isn't your neighborhood street. Mud like this separates the pros from the pretenders real quick. Mud, the ultimate machine killer. This New Holland T 7270 is crawling through it one stubborn inch at a time, refusing to give up the fight.